Let's improve accessibility using iOS 15's Focus feature. First, create or choose a home screen with the apps you would like to use.
Edit mode. Started editing.
Then go into Edit mode and click the Page Adjuster at the bottom of the screen above the dock. Deselect any home screen pages you want to hide when not in the focus. This step is optional. I just find it easier to only see certain home screens when a focus is active. Click Done in the top right and then click Done again to finish editing your home screen. Open Settings and then choose Focus. Click Add to create a focus, or you can edit an existing one. For this example, let's create a custom focus and name it Travel.
Image, name, text field. Return.
You can choose a color and an icon to customize your focus.
Gray, green, selected, orange, selected, purple, orange, pink, purple, red, button, cyan, button, grinning face, list, button, bookmark, map pen, bookshelf, map pen, button, map pen.
Scroll all the way to the bottom of the screen to find the next button.
Page 2 of 2, next, button, allowed people for notifications, heading. Choose the people you want notifications from when this focus is on.
Customize this as you see fit, and then click Allow at the bottom of the screen.
Other people. Calls from favorites button. Allow incoming calls from your favorites. Allow button. Allowed apps for notifications heading.
Same thing, choose the apps you would like to allow to send you notifications. Then click Allow at the bottom of the screen.
Add app button. Remove Maps button. Remove Uber. Other apps. Time sensitive image, a yellow time sensitive switched button off. Allow apps not in your allowed list to send notifications marked as time sensitive in allow button. Your focus is ready.
Not quite. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click Done.
It's turned on across all of your devices. Control Center. You can turn a focus on and off from Control Center. Choose your home screen.
We still have to set this up.
On by hiding home screen pages. Done button. Focus, back button. Travel,
on this screen, locate the home screen option.
Allowed notifications, heading, people, none allowed, apps, maps, Uber, button. Allow calls and note options, heading, focus status, on, home screen, button. A blue light shining on a black surface. Hide notification badges, switch
Turn
button,
on custom pages and choose the home screens you would like to use.
Switch button, off. Travel, back button.
Now only the selected home screens will be visible when the focus is enabled. You can set up a schedule for your focus if you wish. And that's it. This was a long one, so let me know if there are any questions. Thanks for watching.